Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Accent Training Podcast, a podcast for training to speak English with an American accent. My name is Pat. I'm your personal American accent coach, and I'm here to help you tackle some of the most difficult sounds and concepts used in spoken English, such as the TH, which is our focus today. It's a common sound in English, but it's rarely heard in other languages. And so when people start learning it, they often feel that they have to really force it, and that it's kind of unnatural to pronounce for them. But honestly, native English speakers aren't forcing this sound out. They're kind of letting it flow. So I'm going to teach you today how to make this sound flow, keeping it light and quick so that you can make it just as good as if you were born in the United States. Now, today's episode isn't going to cover everything about the TH sound. It's going to cover a lot, but over the next 3 episodes, I'm going to make sure that you get everything that you need to know to develop this from the comfort of your own car, or the subway, the gym, the kitchen, wherever you do your accent training. Now, there's one or two problems that you probably have if English isn't your first language. Either you use a lot of force from your mouth muscles and you make that TH sounding like a t kind of sound instead of a th. Or you push your tongue a little too far forward and make more of a s. It all depends on what your first language is, and we're going to discuss them both here today. What we're going to do is focus on getting your tongue between your teeth to let your air blow out between your tongue and your teeth. And I'm going to show you how to do that. All that you need is your teeth, your tongue, and one thumb. First, identify your favorite thumb, left or right. If you only have one thumb, of course, that's the best one for you. Don't use someone else's thumb. Open your jaw and put your thumb between your teeth. Then, press your tongue to the fleshy part of your thumb. Now blow air out. That's the TH position, all right? That's the TH position. We don't need you to be sticking your tongue way out of your mouth. Some people try doing that, and it makes an awkward adaptation. Don't stick your tongue out far. Have your tongue in your mouth, behind your teeth, but right in the middle, touching the fleshy part of your thumb. Next, move your thumb away, but make that same sound in that same position. Blowing air between your tongue and your teeth. That's the TH. That's the voiceless TH, and that's the one that we're going to see today. Now, in English, we don't make the THs the strongest sound in the word. That's why I'm telling you, don't stick your tongue out too far. If you do, it's going to sound too strong. We need that the vowels are the strongest part of the word, right? So now that you feel that position, let's make sure you're getting it clearly. Repeat a few pairs of words after me between sounds like th and t. Thick, tick. Both, boat. Thank, tank. Through, true. Theme, team. 3, tree. How's that feel between the TH and the T? Are you getting them distinct? Now, as I said, the other difficulty people often run into is they'll have their tongue in a slightly different position, maybe a little bit too high in the mouth, making TH come out like s, s, instead of th, th. So repeat a few words after me between the th and s sounds. Thick, sick, thumb, some, thing, sing, worth, worse, think, sink. So now we've got the muscle memory down for the TH. You know how to pronounce it. You know how it sounds compared to the T or S. Let's consider what types of words have TH sounding like th. Because sometimes TH sounds like th, which we will see later on. But today, th is going to do the job. So first off, content words that begin with TH. Words like thank, think, through, 30. Detailed words. Function words are the other one, the grammar words. Words that just bring grammar to a phrase, but not details. So content words beginning in TH. That's number one, the most common THs that you're going to find voiceless. The next is when you've got TH in the middle of a word. Words like nothing, birthday. Now, there are other words like another, brother, mother, that have TH in the middle of a word, and they're voiced. The difference is that they have THE in the middle of a word. Another, brother, mother, rather, weather, bother. THE in the middle of the word, it's going to be voiced. The TH in the middle of the word without an E is going to sound like th. And then finally, words that end in TH. Both, with, worth, path. These words are voiceless and fading. Th, th. Quick and quiet TH ending. So those are the basics of TH, folks. Those are the basics that I wanted to cover here today. I just wanted to see that you know how to make the position, how to do it clearly and consistently, and how to identify it so that you can start to adapt it easily. You can start to notice, listen for when people are using THs and shadow what they're doing, keeping that light, quick, voiceless TH sound with the tongue lightly between the teeth, not pressing the teeth. Now, like I said, I'm going to have a few more episodes coming out which are going to cover this a little more in depth. And I'm really looking forward to those, because they're going to have more exercises so that you can repeat the TH sound after me many, many, many times and develop a good ear for this and the muscle memory necessary to adapt it to your natural spoken English. If you like what you learned here today, make sure that you give a rating to the Accent Training Podcast, preferably 5 stars. If you know what I know, that this lesson today is going to set you up for success, then you want to make sure that you give it the 5 stars it deserves. Have a good one, folks.